I think it's so cool that you can really bring the content creation to life with cars.
If you're into the automotive industry, like this is the place you want to go to not only network with companies, but with builders and other filmmakers as well. So like, it opens so many opportunities.
The show is awesome. You're seeing a lot of friends, learning a lot about the companies and the innovations that are coming out. A lot of new technology, a lot of innovative products.
There's like no limits. Everyone really has their own personality and brand, and they're able to create their own path in it, so that's super cool.
I am here writing for A Girl's Guide to Cars. I'm really focusing on the SEMA Business Women's Network and women here in the automotive industry. And I'm also focusing on some of the alternative fuels and electrification options that are here at SEMA this year.
You can't learn anything and everything from press releases and stuff, so I think being here is really important.
The exposure here, it's actually crazy. We're bringing all the car cultures together from the West Coast to the East Coast, all over.
Every event that I go to sparks something new for me. SEMA is passion.